Hello dear learners, myself Vipul Kumar D. Prajapati, Associate Professor and HOD Pharmaceutics, SSR College of Pharmacy, Silvassa. Welcome you all to this session 10 of Pharmaceutical Engineering about discussion of cartridge filter, a batch process filtration equipment for handling of solid fluid filtration and clarification purpose. Learning outcomes. After this session 10, you will be able to understand about cartridge filters, principle, construction, working, merits, demerits and various uses. Let's start. Why cartridge filter is commonly used in the preparation of pharmaceutical products. First, they possess a very large filtration area in a small unit. They are flexible to fabricate, easy and relatively cheap to operate, as well as economical and convenient when used to remove low percentage solids ranging in particle size from 100 micrometer to less than 0.2 micrometer, and available many varieties to handle sterile as well as non-sterile filtration and clarification operation. What is a cartridge filter or how it is defined? It is a fabric or polymer based hollow cylindrical filter, either disposable, easily replaceable or non-disposable, cleanable, rigid or semi-rigid, and manufactured by affixing the fabric or polymer to a central perforated or non-perforated plastic or metal core. They are designed primarily to remove particulate materials from the fluids, either gases or liquids. In another way, it is defined as an essential cylindrical or spiral configuration as the alternate layers of filter media or a piece of tubular filtration equipment, either disposable or non-disposable type, made from various natural or synthetic fibrous materials by either tubular wound, string wound or pleated formation on a central core, means rod or mandrel or shaft, and sealing the ends of the cartridge form the dead-ended or cross-flow type of flow channels that can be used across various industries for an arrangement of filtration requirement. So the cartridge filter unit is primarily used to remove particulate material from fluids. So this is the definition of a cartridge filter unit. An image of different types of cartridge filter units for batch process, solid fluid filtration and clarification purpose. These are the number of types of cartridge filter units. Before starting the principal construction working, it is required to understand few points of a cartridge filter. They are typically housed in a cylindrical pressure vessel or commonly known as a cell, and it is either plastic or metallic. The metal which are used for fabrication of house may be stainless steel, galvanized stainless steel or non-corrosive metal. They can be used either individually or as an array of cartridges in a vessel, means number of cartridge arranged in a sequence. So first cartridge act as a pre-filter, next one is act as a post filter. So in that way it is arranged in a sequence in one house or number of house. The Primary application for cartridge filters in water treatment. In residential house, these cartridge filters are commonly used for cleaning of potable water. So the groundwater is going to be cleaned with the help of these cartridge filters. To remove Cryptosporidium oocysts, which is commonly responsible for the watery diarrhea, and or Giardia cysts from source water. So this is the main application of cartridge filters in residential purpose. So water is going to be treated and it is free from these types of microbes. Cartridge filters typically do not remove bacteria, viruses, or fine colloids having the size less than 0.1 micrometer. So not all types of bacteria are removed by cartridge filters. The use of coagulants or a pre-coat with a cartridge filter is not usually recommended. Remember, since removal of particulate material is based on the absolute pore size of the filter instead of the development of a layer on the surface of the filter to enhance its removal capabilities. Therefore, coagulants or a pre-coat only increase the pressure loss through the filter, necessitating more frequent filter exchanges. Hence, in cartridge filter, for removing of fine colloids, viruses, or the bacteria having less than 0.1 micron size, pre-coat or coagulant type filtration is not applied to improve its rate of filtration efficiency. A cartridge is commonly encased within a housing or a casing and used to remove unwanted particles, pollutants, and chemicals from liquids. The cartridge is exposed to water, liquid, or solvent that needs filtration. As it flows inside the housing and passes through the cartridge filter element. String wound cartridge filter units are the most commonly used and inexpensive filters. Pleated cartridges are the modified tubular configurations with a large filtration area. A single knife edge flat gasket may be a satisfactory seal for cartridge filters with 1 micron or larger pore size, and they can also remove submicron particulates. For submicron filtration, the most satisfactory seal is an O-ring. Now, what is the principle of a cartridge filter? Depends on its material of fabrication and types. Its working principle may be straining or screening alone, means it is a type of surface filtration, and with it following impingement and entanglement, that is the type of depth filtration. So cartridge filter is having a thin or thick filter type of fabrication, hence it acts either as a straining or following straining with impingement and entanglement, depends on the number of layers from finer to thick layers. Means if a cartridge filter is made from a thin porous membrane, then straining or screening is the main mechanism of its working as a filtration. If disposable or thick cartridge filter made from a fibrous woven materials in thick layers of different pore size of each layer, then filtration will take place due to its screening followed by impingement and entanglement mechanisms, where pre-filter pre-filter is having the large pore size and the membrane filters are combined next one layer that are in single unit. So pre-filter and the main membrane filters are arranged in a sequence on one core. So this is the principle of a cartridge filter. What are the two categories of cartridge filters based on mechanism of filtration? First one is known as surface filter purpose cartridge and second is known as depth filter purpose cartridge. So the cross flow filtration is there for solid liquid mixture filtration purpose. The solids which are having the size greater than the pore size of the filter deposited on the central core, that is cartridge filter, so they are not going to pass but solids are retained on the surface and fluid is going to allow through the central core. And in depth filtration type cartridge filter, the solid particles which are large in size, they are retained on the surface and smaller particles travel and impinge and entangled in the number of layers in the depth of depth filter. So they are retained in the next membrane layer and the fluid is going to pass through the pore structure of the membrane inside the center perforated core and the filtrate is passed. So in this way surface filter type cartridge filter and depth filter type cartridge filters are available. The materials which are used for manufacturing or fabrication of different cartridges are as for disposable cartridges synthetic and natural fibers, cellulose esters and fiberglass, fluorinated hydrocarbon polymers, nylon and ceramics are available. For porous materials for cleanable and reusable cartridge filters, stainless steel, that is perforated stainless steel, monal metals, ceramics, fluorinated hydrocarbon polymers and exotic means non-corrosive perforated metals are used. First, a surface cartridge filter. A common surface cartridge filter is the pleated paper construction type, which allows larger filtration areas to be packed into a small space. They are of wavy or corrugated, resin treated paper, common in hydraulic lines of processing equipment, but are rarely applied to finished products. A surface cartridge filter type cartridge filter units are commonly used as oil filters in automobile industry. For strength, paper is impregnated with epoxy or polyurethane resin. Any other medium in sheet form similar to cellulose paper such as polypropylene, glass or a variety of non-wovens may be used. Pleating in the radial direction is usual, but some cartridges have axial pleating, or in an effort to pack as much filtration surface into a given space as possible, have hollow disc of lenticular shape and up to 3 meter square of surface in one cartridge is possible. So generally pleated papers surface cartridge is available. So in single unit the high surface area is there, so rate of filtration is good in batch process filtration. The solids holding capacity of pleated paper surface cartridges is low, but some applications allow the prolonged buildup of solids on the surface until the plates are completely filled up by solids. What are the examples of a surface cartridge filter units? First, ceramic cartridges. They are cleanable for reuse by backflushing. Second is porcelain filter candles, acceptable for sterile filtration with membrane filters in cartridge form. Third one is sintered metal or woven wire element, and fourth one is metallic edge cartridge filters. So these are the four examples of surface cartridge filter unit. Now a depth cartridge filter. Depth cartridge filter always a disposable type as cleaning is not feasible. It consists of fibrous media, usually cotton, asbestos or cellulose, and can be woven, non-woven or pleated. Depth filter cartridge may be formed by felting or by resin binding fibers around a mandrel, that is cylindrical shaft or rod of either metal or plastic, perforated or non-perforated, or twisting fibers around a central supporting screen. The fibers can also be charged to aid in filtration. The most common depth cartridge is the yarn wound type, that has a yarn wound around a center core, that is supporting screen, in such a way that the openings closest to the core are smaller than those on the outside. So the opening closest to the core are smaller than those on the outside. The aim is to achieve depth filtration, which increases the solids holding capacity of the cartridge. The yarn may be made of any fibrous material, ranging from cotton or glass fiber to the many synthetic fibers such as polypropylene, polyester, nylon or Teflon. A depth filter disposable type cartridge filter, it may be first one, that is string wound cartridge depth filter, and second is that is resin bonded cartridge filter. Both are the disposable type cartridge filter because of the thick cartridge. Depth type cartridges cannot be cleaned but have high solid holding capacity and are cheap and robust. They are disposable, means single time use only. Considerable standard configuration of the cartridge throughout industry, approximately 25, 50, 75 and 100 cm long, 6.3 to 7 cm overall diameter and 2.5 cm internal diameter. So this is the common configuration of the depth cartridge filter. Possible to fix the different makes and types of cartridge in the same cartridge housing. So the number of types of depth cartridges are available, and that can be fixed in single house or number of cartridge fixed in a single house. So single cartridge in single house or number of depth cartridges in one single house is possible. They are used for fluid clarification and filtration, sterile or non-sterile filtration. Available as single element holder or multi-element holder. Now cartridge filter systems or assembly. What are the cartridge filter systems or assemblies? two types, smaller cartridge filter systems and second is larger cartridge filter systems. In smaller cartridge filter systems usually use a single wound or pleated cartridge, commonly used in home water filtering system, applicable for extremely small system with an extremely high quality source water. And the smaller cartridge filter system, smaller in size, height as well as in diameter, and the body of vessel must be plastic or stainless steel, and the lid of this body contains the outlet ports, inlet ports and pressure relief valve. Taps or ports for pressure gauges may or may not. So this is the smaller cartridge filter system. The larger cartridge filter systems can use either pleated or wound cartridge filters, usually use multiple filters in a single vessel or housing. Cartridge filter units, that is larger cartridge filter systems, in which cartridge filter units of length more than 10 inch are used, and those in smaller cartridge filter systems, cartridge filter units less than 10 inch may be fixed. Next, the cartridge filter systems may be single cartridge filter systems, pre and post filter cartridge filter systems, and multiple stage cartridge filter systems are also available. In single cartridge filter system, you know very well, usually use a single wound cartridge, commonly used in home water filtering system. In case of pre and post filter cartridge filter systems, they are used in a purification treatment of water. The feed or raw water initially passes through a relatively large pore size pre-filter, and then it filtered through the finest post final filter, that is membrane filter. So pre and post filters are deposited on the same cartridge. And next one is known as multiple stage cartridge filter systems, that is the extension of pre and post cartridge filter systems. With pre and post filter finer filters are arranged in a series, means number of pre and post filters are arranged in a sequence to improve the efficiency of rate of filtration, and hence the large volume of slurry can be handled in a single unit operation using multiple stage cartridge filter system. Now next one, based on the application, 4 categories of cartridge filter units available. The first one is known as the throwaway or disposable cartridge, which cannot be cleaned and is therefore replaced. Second type is known as the cleanable in place cartridge, which can readily be cleaned. Example, by intermittent reverse flow as part of the operating cycle and reused several or many times, even if eventually it may need to be replaced. The third one is known as the service cleanable cartridge, which must be removed from the filter and subjected to specialized cleaning. Example, as in ultrasonic bath, either on site or by returning to the manufacturer or to a service company. The service cleanable cartridge is used. Fourth one is known as the reclaimable cartridge, which must be returned to the manufacturer, who strips it down and rebuilds it after replacing the filter medium. So these are the 4 categories of a cartridge filter unit based on the application. Now we are discussing about the construction of cartridge filter equipment. Construction of a cartridge filter equipment is divided into two parts. First part is known as construction of a cartridge filter unit, that is cartridge filter element, and second part is known as construction of supporting pressure vessel, in which number of cartridge filter units or a single cartridge unit is assembled. So it is nothing, it is the housing of cartridge filter unit or cell of cartridge filter unit. So first we are going to discuss about construction of a cartridge filter unit. In simple form, it is an essential hollow cylindrical shape, disposable or non-disposable, means reusable filter media of highly pleated material. Example: polytetrafluoroethylene, cellulose acetate or nylon, or string wound material, that is wound like ball of string. This type of material supported on a central strong core. That central strong core on which these types of material, that is the filter media, is deposited. Okay, so that central strong core is nothing, it is a mandrel, rod or shaft. It may be of plastic or metallic. The central strong core may be a plastic or metallic, and it may be perforated or non-perforated. So on that central strong core, the number of the filter media deposited, it is fabricated. Both the ends of the cartridge units having the provision of fixing single O-rings, double O-rings, tie rods, screw cork or other designs, because these types of cartridge, with help of these types of fixing rings or cork, that can be easily fixed into the cartridge house or cell. They are available in various lengths and diameters, as well as construction materials, woven, non-woven and membranes. This is the microscopic structural view of a cartridge filter unit. In this single non-core cartridge, in central there is no any core. Okay, so this is the depth cartridge, which shows from the center side, that is 5 micron fine layer of the polypropylene, and then that is the blue indication, and then on that is the next few layers of 10 micron pore size, next polypropylene layer, and then the coarse side, that is 20 micron pore size layers are deposited. So these are the multiple layers having different pore size. From inner to the surface, the size is going to coarse. So inner side, that is the fine side, and on the surface there is the coarse side. So that is the depth filter type cartridge filter. It is 100% polypropylene filter unit. The end of the cartridge are fixed by end caps. So it may be double open ends or single open ends. So these are the cartridge adapters. So this is the figure which shows different types of adapters available for end caps. That end caps are used for different housing. So the number of cartridge are going to be fixed in available housing. Either it is single housing, or in single housing number of cartridge can be fixed. During filtration, the fluid flow from outside to inside. Therefore, these filters require a strong core, either plastic or metal, to handle the increased pressure differential during operation. Some manufacturers have outer cases for increased stability and capacities. The cartridges are installed in pressure vessels with guide rods for easy installation. So guide rods are the part of the housing. The orientation can be vertical and horizontal. So cartridge, number of cartridge, single cartridge arranged in single housing, either vertical or in horizontal direction. The cartridge to vessel seal can be single o-ring, double o-rings, tie rods or other designs. This is the cross-sectional view of cartridge filter unit and its arrangement in a pressure vessel or housing. First two image shows the provision of filtrate outlet may be on upper direction or the downward direction. So that is due to the configuration of the cartridge filter. As shown in the figure, in cartridge filter, a thin porous membrane in which pre-filter, that is the outermost layer, which is covered by a polypropylene protective layer, then membrane filter. So pre-filter and membrane filters are combined into a single unit. So hence filtration is mainly sieve-like and the particles are retained on the surface. So membrane is responsible to remove the solid particles and the fluid is passed through it inside the central pore core and the filtrate is coming through filtrate outlet. The third image shows the number of cartridges. 3 cartridges are fixing inside the pressure vessel or a cartridge house, and hence it indicate how the filtration is going to take place and the filtrate is collected from the filtrate outlet provision of the cartridge house, and the cake is discharged at the end of the operation from the bottom using the discharge port. This is an image of a cartridge filter unit and its cell, that is a single assembly. So this is the stainless steel or metallic type, the cartridge house, and the number of cartridge with this is the cartridge filters and a housing or cell or vessel, that is stainless steel. It is also available in plastic, that is polypropylene and acrylic combined bonding plastics for sturdy operation, and a lid of a house or cell or vessel that can be fixed on the top of the housing. This is the image showing multiple cartridge filter units that are fixed in a single housing or a cell. So multiple cartridge filter unit containing house. This is a top view showing fixed cartridge, and these are the number of house in which multiple cartridge filter units can be fixed. This is another image showing the same multiple cartridge filters in one housing cell and the different parts available on it. This is the internal view of multiple cartridge fixed in the single house, that is cartridge house. Now there is a reflection spot. Take your note and pen, write down the answer of this question, pause your video. Cartridge filters are made of different materials and designs. What are the various types of industrial grade cartridge filters are available in the market? If you know, write down the answer of this question. Think and answer it. If you have completed your answer, once again play this video and verify your answer. Cartridge filter without inner core. First, cartridge filter without inner core. There are 10 different types of cartridge filter units available. First one is cartridge filter without inner core. It is made of pure polypropylene microfibers, thermally bonded to prevent any fiber migration. They are used in the following processes: water treatment, pure water filtration, edible oils, fine chemicals, resins, reverse osmosis, deionized water, seawater desalination, wine pre-filtration, beverages pre-filtration, film development, fixing baths, solvents, cosmetics, and galvanic baths. Second type is known as string wound cartridge filter unit, that is known as depth filter type cartridge filter unit. They are generally winding materials: bleached cotton, polypropylene, washed polypropylene, or glass fibers are used as a string wound cartridge filter. They offer excellent depth filtration and strong chemical resistance. Made from the best quality yarn, wound with high precision. The number of applications of these types of cartridge filter units: it is used for water treatment, seawater desalination, condensate preparation, processed water, photochemicals, film development, edible oils, solvents purification, galvanic baths, and fats, acids, base, and chemical processes. The third type is known as resin bonded cartridge filter unit. They are made from long acrylic fibers bonded with phenolic resins. They are also type of depth filter type cartridge filter unit. They are produced from fibers which are bonded with phenolic resin, imparts excellent structural strength to the filters, higher surface area due to grooved outer surface. These filters also exhibit resistance to a broad range of temperatures and are compatible with a wide variety of chemicals. Application of these types of filter unit: used in preparation of the following materials: lacquer, paints, printing inks, adhesives, resins, emulsions, petroleum, waxes, process water, organic solvents, animal or vegetable fats, inks, low acid bases having pH value between 5 to 9. Remember, these types of cartridge filter unit means resin bonded cartridge filter unit, not recommended for oxidized media. Preferred filter in applications which require dealing with either high viscosity or high temperature or both. The fourth one is known as activated carbon cartridge filter unit. This activated carbon cartridge filter are produced solely from activated carbon, means at high temperature the carbon is going to be activated, means its pores are going to be open, hence its rate of filtration is improved. So it is known as activated carbon. They are also referred to as activated carbon blocks. Application of these types of filter unit: they are used for drinkable water preparation, chlorine removal from water, in water-based and organic solvent-based for removal of color, taste, and smell contamination because of activated carbon. In galvanic bath, removal of organic contamination from nickel and copper bath. Removal of the impurities derived from organic electronic additives, and removal of chemical, that is volatile or non-volatile contaminants. Fifth type of cartridge filter, that is melt blown cartridge filter. A unique construction formed by thermally molded polypropylene fiber layers that offer excellent depth filtration. So this is also a type of depth filter cartridge filter, having higher filtration efficiency, long service life, and thermal stability. Best suited for fine particle filtration and coarse filtration across a range of applications and filtration requirements. They are designed to prevent contaminant unloading and ensure maximum contaminant removal. So this is the matte blown cartridge filter. Sixth type is known as pleated cartridge filter unit. So this is the image showing the pleated cartridge filter unit having high flow, made from finest grade polypropylene in a controlled environment to offer broad chemical compatibility. They are having an excellent combination of higher surface area, higher dirt holding capacity, excellent micron rating, and top-notch filtration performance. So they are used in automobile industries for the filtration of air as well as filtration of liquid or oil. They are used in critical applications in food and beverage, biotech, pharmaceuticals, breweries, and water treatment sectors. Seventh and eighth are metallic, sintered, and washable net type cartridge filter units. First, metallic sintered cartridge filters, they are the surface filter type. They can be easily backwashed for hundreds of cycles without impacting the performance. So it is reused. Number of times it can be used. This eighth one is known as washable net cartridge filters. That is also surface cartridge filter. Ideal for pre-filtration, especially for removal of coarse particles. They have a simple construction wherein a net protected by a cage is used for filtration. They can be easily cleaned to get free of the trapped particulates. So the next ninth number is known as radial type and 10th number is known as Clariflow big body cartridge filter unit. Radial type cartridges, they are protected either from ultra high molecular weight polyethylene, that is the thermolabile plastics, or high density polyethylene, that is also known as alka thin or polythene plastic. Owing to the radial shape, these filters offer more surface area than pleated filters. Since they are built from a single layer and have a robust construction, they can be backwashed without harming the pore structure. So this radial cartridge can be reused. And they are compatible with a broad range of chemicals. The next last one is known as Clariflow big body, that is non-disposable type cartridge filter unit. Easy to install, service and replace. Perfect for whole house water treatment, commercial filtration and industrial filtration requirement. So this is the end of construction and type of the cartridge filter unit. So these are the 10 different types of cartridge filter units available for various applications. Now we are discussing the second part of construction of cartridge filter equipment, that is known as a cartridge filter house or housing, that is pressure vessel of a cartridge filter. This is the metallic cartridge house. They are simple pressure vessel, hollow cylindrical in shape, made from a suitable plastic or non-corrosive metal, that is matte metal or stainless steel metal, galvanic metal, and designed to hold either only one cartridge, means one cartridge in one house, or a number of cartridges parallel to each other arranged at particular fixed distance in a single house, as in multi-element filters. On top, the head cover or lid with pressure gauge and gasket ring for snap fitting with the hollow metallic cylindrical cage. They are designed to withstand pressure up to 300 bar. Proper sealing of the elements is a necessary prerequisite of their efficient use. It has a number of provisions for holding two sturdy or heavy plates with guide rods to fix required number of cartridge filter units in a vessel or house. Frequent replacement of cartridges should be facilitated by quick opening, clamping or bolt fittings. It has provisions for slurry inlet and filtrate outlet. This image itself indicates the number of parts of a cartridge holding house. It is the metallic type and the plastic type. So the second image shows the first one is stainless steel housing of a cartridge filter unit, and second one is a matte finishing cartridge filter house. They are available as a wide variety of configurations for both micron and submicron filtration. The major differences in various housings are in the design, materials of construction, seals that are used to install the cartridges in the housing, and the application for which they are used in the pharmaceutical industry. The housings are described in terms of the height of the cartridge and in the number of cartridge receptacles in the base end of the housing. When a user purchases a housing from one manufacturer, he is usually not locked in to that manufacturer's cartridges. So the number of cartridges require a particular fixing base in available housing. So it is differ manufacturer to manufacturer. Adapters are available that allow the cartridge filter of one manufacturer to fit into virtually any other manufacturer's housing. So that is possible with the help of the types of adapters. So number of types of adapters are available as separate accessories, so that can be used for fixing of the available cartridge in available manufacturer's housing. So the housing may be of any manufacturer and the cartridge may be of another manufacturer, so that can be fixed with the help of the purchased type of adapters. Now the next reflection spot, you have to take your note and pen, pause the video and write down the answer of this question if you know. Discuss on working operation of a cartridge filter assembly. Think and answer it. If you have completed your answer, play the video once again and verify your answer. The working of cartridge filter assembly or system. Before actual filtration or clarification working operation, using positive pressure as a driving force for running feed, that is slurry or solid liquid or solid fluid mixture of low solid contents into the cartridge filter equipment. The following steps you have to follow. First, check the volume of slurry. Select the type of cartridge filter unit and assembled. So first is the installation of number of cartridge filter unit. Either it is one cartridge filter unit in a one house or number of cartridge filter unit in a one house. So assembled in a pressure vessel or housing according to the goal of requirement and small or large scale filtration. That is either as a single cartridge filter in a single housing or multiple cartridge filter units in a single housing. Check the connection of power supply, safety measures, and follow the steps of working operation. As the first step, switch on the main electric power supply, open the valve of feed or slurry inlet, and start the pressure pump connected between slurry tank and feed inlet of cartridge housing. Hence, due to positive pressure as a driving force, at high velocity the feed enters into the cartridge filter housing and passes through the cartridge filter unit. By the mechanism of straining, means surface filtration, followed impingement entanglement based on types of cartridge filter unit, solids are retained on the surface as well as in the depth of a cartridge filter units. The filtrate is forced through the filter cartridge from the periphery to the inner hollow core, means from outside to inside the filter is going to flow, from where it moves toward the filtrate outlet provision of the vessel. The liquid passes through them and the clear filtrate is collected into a filtrate receiver tank, which is connected to the cartridge house. When the flow rate of filtrate collection is decreased, stop the pressure pump and main power supply. Open the discharge valve of the cartridge filter house and collect solids in a cake receiver bath. Open the lid of cartridge housing using quick opening bolts and remove cartridge filter units from the vessel. If disposable cartridge filter units are there, good for application when there is a low contaminant level. Example, during the filtration of liquid products as they are filled into bottles. So if disposable cartridge filter units, collect them in a separate bag for the process of waste disposable purpose. They are not reusable. So that is for single use only. So disposable cartridge filter units are there. After working operation, they are ready for waste disposable purpose. If non-disposable cartridge filter units are used, disassemble them from the main housing unit and follow cleaning process of each filter unit based on instruction of supplier or manufacturer. So remember which types of cartridge filter units are there, disposable or non-disposable. Accordingly you have to follow the last working operation of the cartridge filter equipment. Now this animation showing fixing of number of cartridges on central metallic perforated rods in a vertical house or cell. So first the ring is placed and then on it the perforated bottom plate is fixed and ring is applied, and the second that lead is cell is fixed with help of the bolt. So the perforated, the supporting rods are now going to insert inside the cell, then a fixing of perforated top plate with help of the guide rods, then there is the fixing of number of central perforated rods for holding cartridges on it. So these are the number of cartridges now going to be fixed on the perforated rods. So fixing of cartridge media on perforated rods. So after fixing, now the cap is going to close on the surface of cartridges at top end, and the lid of the housing is now closed with help of the quick fixing rods. Now the slurry is going to introduce through slurry inlet from the top, and through high pressure at high velocity the filtration is carried out, and the solids are retained on the cartridge filter, and the filtrate is collected, that is clear liquid is collected from the bottom. So this is the end of working of the cartridge filter assembly. Now the next reflection spot, you have to take note and pen. If you know the answer of this question, pause the video, write down the answer of this question. What are the merits of a cartridge filter type filtration system? Think and answer the question. If you have completed your answer, play the video and verify the answer. The number of merits of cartridge filter equipment. First, low capital and installation cost, low maintenance cost, simplicity and compactness are the main advantages of cartridge filters. Stainless steel construction, hence it permits autoclaving for filtration, sterile filtration. Cartridges with self-cleaning devices are advantageous. Rapid disassembling as well as reusing of filter media is possible. Cartridge filter units are not brittle when they dry. They are also used to protect other equipment or accessories, example in control systems or automatic valves. So they are used to protect the other equipments or accessories which are attached with its unit. And last advantage, they are used in line continuous filtration. They are used in line continuous filtration, which reduces handling of solutions and minimizes the chances of contamination. So cross contamination of the filtration is minimized. So these are the merits of cartridge filter equipment. Now again there is a reflection spot. You have to pause the video, take your note and pen. If you know the answer of this question, answer it. What are the demerits of a cartridge filter type filtration systems? Think and answer it. If you have completed your answer, once again play the video and verify your answers. The number of demerits of cartridge filter equipment. First, high running cost, especially when disposable cartridges are used, because they are used only one time. So that's why the disposable cartridge filters are there. The running cost is high. The components of the machine cannot be brought from different manufacturers, as they differ from manufacturer to manufacturer. So according to the type of configuration of the pressure vessel, that is a housing of cartridge filter units, you have to check which types of cartridge are going to be fixed. So accordingly we have to check the adapters and it is going to fix. So that's why the components of machine can't be brought from different manufacturers, because manufacturer to manufacturers it may differ. So these are the demerits of cartridge filter equipments. Now once again the last reflection spot, you have to take your note and pen, pause the video and write down the answer of this question if you know. What are the uses of a cartridge filter type filtration systems? Think and answer it. If you have completed your answer, once again play a video and verify the answer of this question. The number of uses of cartridge filter equipment. First, used to clean lubrication oils, deionized water, wines, for the preparation of wines, for the preparation of fruit juices or pharmaceutical liquids preparations. They are commonly used in the preparation of pharmaceutical products, as they possess a very large filtration area in a small unit and are relatively cheap to operate. Disposable cartridge filters are commonly used as a pre-filter for purification of potable water, that is raw water, in residual drinking water purpose before running reverse osmosis unit at home. So in home we are going to use the water filtering systems, that is cartridge filter system. Next, disposable cartridges. They are good for filtration or clarification applications where there is a low contaminant level. Example, during the filtration of liquid products as they are filled into bottles. So when the liquid preparations, liquid type of dosage forms, they are free from any particulate contamination or foreign particles and going to be filled into bottles, we have to use disposable cartridge filter units. They are used in filtration of sterile solutions. In filtration of sterile solution, in case of parenteral and ophthalmic preparations. So solution type sterile, parenteral and ophthalmic preparations, filtration is carried out using cartridge filter unit. Means particulate free sterile solutions can be achieved at a rate of 1000 to 15,000 liters sterile solutions per hour. Primarily used for the purpose of clarification. Cartridge filter equipments are primarily used for the purpose of clarification in case of extraction of contaminated liquid. So the contamination levels ideal for cartridge filters should be less than 0.01% in weight. So in extraction unit operation, cartridge filter units are used for clarification of the extracted liquids. They are used in liquid filtration during various processes such as in the preparation of bulk chemicals, petrochemicals, water purification, hydraulic fluids, cosmetics or pharmaceuticals preparations, reagents, grade chemicals preparations, paints, varnices, semiconductors, sugars, oils of motor vehicles. So these are the different areas where the cartridge filter equipments are used for batch process handling under the pressure. So this is the end of the cartridge filter equipment. This is the end of session 10. Thank you. Happy learning. If you have any questions in this session, submit it to my email ID.